Model, 69-plate Volkswagen Crafter County Route 35 Startline 2.0 TDI Spares OR Repairs Open Mouth Smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 51,200. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 140 PSEU6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox is making all sorts of noises, will need repairing, replacing immediately. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £17,595. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199973.